Hi guys, my name is Brunal Thakur and this is amazing Namrata Soni. So I'm very excited first of all, and I'm very excited that Namrata is going to do my makeup, and the fact that I'm walking for the grand finale, Lakme Fashion Week, it's like a dream come true, Namrata, and I can't tell you how blessed I am to be wearing the two amazing outfits by Rimzim Dadu. Yeah, we have Sasha and Kini's outfit. It's beautiful. I love the jacket.
And I'm super excited because we are actually starting with the new Lakme Spotlight collection of eyeshadows.
Which has 48
48 shades. Insane. I wouldn't know what to choose from actually. So I've already done your foundation work and kept it very beautiful and simple. Now I'm actually going to use a little bit of the gold eyeshadow and I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid. Just starting from the center, I'm going into the inner corner and then I'm coming outside. I'm going to do this and I'm going to take this all over. So I'm going to go into your brow bone with this. I'm applying very, very little product initially just to get a beautiful evenness on the eyelid. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm actually going to be using these two beautiful colors. And I'm going to start by applying this on the outer corner. So flicking from the outside, that everybody has a natural V to the eye.
Right.
So I'm flicking from the outside and I'm coming just like 1/4 in. And I'm just going to lift your brow bone and go into that hollow which everybody has. So little by little, you'll actually see how stunning that color looks when it's combined. Now I'm going to take the same color and I am going to add it to the inside of the eye. Okay, so now I'm lifting that brow bone and very gently applying the green olive into the inner corner. And I'm going to be using the gold eyeshadow I had applied earlier for you. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and now I'm going to blend that in the center between the green that I have done on both sides and create that halo, basically that beautiful circle going all the way and joining the inner green and the outer green. Please remember, the strongest amount of color should be as close to your eyelid, and the higher you go, the more gradually up you go, the lighter and lighter that gold should become. Okay, so now while she's holding the palette,
I'll hold it. I'll be your
Thank you so
assistant.
much. Thank you. I'm going to again take my green, my aqua green and my olive green. Okay, so again, just going to take the two colors. You know, the beauty is you can actually choose the color of mask you want to wear for your eye makeup. So, I mean, how
Look
cool
at
is
the
that?
look at the amount of colors
Colours,
also.
it's
There are
quite stunning.
48 shades. I mean,
I would be spoiled for choice.
me
honestly.
too.
I'm now going to show you guys how to apply a little bit of kajal and just change and make a little bit of drama to this look. Kajal is your favorite?
It's my I cannot do without kajal.
So, okay, I'm just going to pull the eye down to get access to the waterline and I'm going to add it little by little. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a trick. I'm actually going to take a little bit of the kajal pencil with my brush. Okay, instead of applying it directly.
Okay.
And I'm going to lift the eye out and I'm going to just smudge it under the waterline to give a slight smudge smoky effect.
Wow.
So I'm now going to apply mascara. One of my favorite things.
My favorite thing
I
too.
can't live without mascara. Again, don't put your hand on the eye makeup. Lift from the brow bone and like how you brush your teeth right to left, you just apply it from the bottom all the way till the ends. I'm actually going to complete this look with the most important step in eye makeup, which is your eyebrows. So I'm actually using the Micro Brow Perfector from Lakme. This is in the color Charcoal. And the beauty is that it comes with a spoolie on one side.
we don't have
so
to
you don't have to
carry.
keep on. Yeah. So you can just brush your eyebrows out at a 45-degree angle. You never brush it straight up. You always brush it at an angle.
Oh.
And then I'm just going in and filling in a few of those gaps. I don't want your eyebrows to be too strong because you already have beautiful eyebrows. So guys, my last step in completing this look is going to be the Matte Melt of Lakme. And I'm going to apply just a little bit in the center and then start taking it outside. You can of course use the wand also directly. It's a lovely color actually. And almost the color of your lip, you know, Mrinal. It's actually a beautiful shade for you. So I guess
Lovely.
guys, thank you so much for
Thank
being a
you,
beautiful
Namrata.
model for me. And thank you, Lakme, for having me do this masterclass for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
And I can't wait to get into the outfit and just walk the ramp and kill it.
You're going to see her walk down the ramp very soon.